Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Syed Muhammad Hayat. I'm working as a design engineer in UTech. UTech is a design service company. We provide design services to our clients. Apart from this design services, we also provide training to engineering students.
Today we'll be discussing about the 6 standard views and positioning of these 6 standard views with respect to first angle projection as well as third angle projection. Okay, we'll begin. 6 principal views of an object can be drawn in orthographic projection. So imagine that the object is in the glass box with the views projected on its 6 planes. So guys, this is the object and these are the 6 standard views, namely front view, top view, right side view, left side view, rear view and bottom view. So as you can see here, this is a third angle projection system because it satisfies the condition plane of projection is in between the object and the observer. See, for this front view, plane of projection is in between the object and the observer. For this side view, right side view, plane of projection is in between the object and the observer. For this top view, plane of projection is in between the object and the observer. So this is similar for all the views. So it also satisfies one more condition, that is, in third angle projection, top view comes above front view and right side view is drawn towards the right of the elevation and left side view is drawn towards the left of the elevation. So guys, if I have to write this with first angle projection, write these views with first angle projection system, so what we have to do? It is just simple. We must satisfy the condition object should be in between the observer and plane of projection. For that, what we have to do is we just have to swap the views. That is, front view should be written on the rear side and rear view should be written on the front side. So top view should be written on the bottom side and bottom view should be written on the top side. Right side view should be written on the left side and left side view should be written on the right side. So then we'll be satisfying the condition object is in between the observer and plane of projection. Suppose this front view is written here, then it satisfies the condition object is in between the observer and plane of projection. Similarly, this right side view is written on the left side, then it satisfies the condition object is in between the observer and plane of projection. Okay, so now if I have to draw all the views in one single particular plane, I'll just unfold that glass box in such a way that I'll be obtaining all the views like this. So as it is a third angle projection system, it satisfies the condition top view comes above front view and right side view is drawn towards the right of the elevation and left side view is drawn towards the left of the elevation. Orthographic projection in a system of projecting views onto an imaginary glass box with parallel projectors to the 3 mutually perpendicular projector planes. So principal projection planes includes horizontal plane, vertical plane or the frontal plane and the profile plane. So basically, to describe an object we need 3 views involving front view, top view and the side view. Similarly, this is also a third angle projection system satisfying the condition plane of projection is in between the observer and the object. So plane of projection is in between the observer and the object. So another condition is also satisfied, that is, top view comes above front view and right side view is drawn towards the right of the elevation. So if I have to obtain all these views in one single particular plane, so what I'll do is I'll just unfold it like this. So hence I'll be obtaining it like this, and thereby it is a third angle projection system. So that is why I'll be obtaining the top view above front view and right side view is drawn in the right of the elevation. So this object is depicted with the help of these 3 views, including front view, top view and the right side view. So one important thing to be noted in while writing the views is, so always these side views are drawn adjacent to the front view, whether it may be first angle projection system as well as third angle projection system. So guys, I hope you have understood about these 6 standard views and positioning of these views with respect to first angle projection system as well as third angle projection system.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please hit that like button, comment us down below your suggestions regarding the content in the video and also mention the topics on which you want an explanation on. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay connected.